Okay, let's go.
Take that, rewind it back. Ursher got the voice to make your booty go.
We gon' start this thing alright. Say what? We got the dogs out in the house tonight. We gon' start this thing alright. Say what? We got the ATL in the house tonight.
Have you ever been scrolling through AliExpress and noticed something strange? You'll see 5, then sometimes 20 different watch brands, different logos, different names, different prices, but somehow. Welcome back to Watch Bureau. Today we're investigating one of the biggest mysteries in affordable watch collecting. Because once you understand how these watches are actually designed and manufactured, shopping on AliExpress suddenly makes a lot more sense. And no, the answer isn't as simple as they're all fake. Let's investigate. They all look almost identical. So what's actually going on? Are these companies copying each other? Are they all built in the same factory? Or is there an entire side of the watch industry that most people never see? Today, we're opening the case file to uncover the truth behind why so many AliExpress watches look exactly the same. One of the biggest misconceptions is that there's one enormous factory somewhere in China building every watch with a different logo. That's not how it works. Instead, China has an enormous manufacturing ecosystem. Different companies specialize in different parts of the process. One company may produce cases, another specializes in dials, another manufactures bracelets, another assembles complete watches, and another simply owns the brand name and designs the final product. Think of it like building a custom computer. Intel makes processors, Samsung makes memory, Western Digital makes storage, yet Dell, Lenovo, and HP can all combine those components into completely different computers. The watch industry often works the same way. This is where two important terms come into play, OEM and ODM. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. That means one factory manufactures products for multiple brands. The brand chooses the logo, colors, specifications, and packaging. ODM stands for Original Design Manufacturer. In this case, the factory designs the watch first. Then multiple companies purchase that design and simply customize it with their own branding. That's why you might see nearly identical watches sold under several different names. The watch itself isn't necessarily copied. The design was created specifically to be licensed to multiple brands. Another reason these watches look so similar is because many companies purchase components from the same suppliers. For example, one supplier might manufacture sapphire crystals, another produces stainless steel cases, another specializes in ceramic bezels. Many brands also purchase movements from companies like Seiko, Miyota, Peacock, Hangzhou, or Seagull. If several brands buy the exact same case, the exact same bracelet, and the exact same movement, the finished watches are naturally going to resemble one another. That doesn't necessarily mean one copied the other. It often means they started with many of the same building blocks. So what makes one brand better? If many companies use similar components, why do collectors consistently recommend brands like San Martin, Sugess, Aixendao, or Proxima? The answer comes down to execution, case finishing, quality control, assembly, tolerances, loom application, bracelet construction, customer support, attention to detail. Two watches can use the exact same movement, yet one feels dramatically better on the wrist because the manufacturer invested more time and money into the finishing process. That's why experienced collectors don't judge a watch by specifications alone. They judge how well everything comes together. Final verdict. So, why do so many AliExpress watches look the same? Because many of them share suppliers, use common movements, purchase similar components, or even license the same original designs. That doesn't automatically make them bad watches. In fact, it's one reason affordable watches have improved so dramatically over the past decade. The real difference isn't usually who made the individual parts. It's who assembled them, who finished them, who inspected them, and who stood behind the final product. That's why some brands consistently earn loyal followings while others disappear after a few years. The logo on the dial is only part of the story. The company behind that logo is what really matters. If you enjoyed today's Watch Bureau investigation, subscribe because next time we're opening another case file to uncover the hidden world of affordable watches. Until next time, stay curious, buy smart, and I'll see you in the next Watch Bureau investigation.